In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Wix. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring a photo from your computer into the Wix editor and place it on your page with confidence. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left side of the editor, look for the big plus icon. This is the Add Elements button, and it's your main gateway to everything you can place on a page. Click it to open the Elements panel. You'll see categories for text, galleries, buttons, and more. For this task, choose Image. This tells Wix you want to place a single image element rather than, say, a gallery or a decorative shape. When you click Image, the Media Manager will open. This is your site's library where all your images, videos, and documents live. To bring in something new, click Upload Images. If you already have the picture stored in your site's library, you could select it here. But let's go through the full upload process so you know how to add fresh content. Next, choose Upload from Computer. This opens your file picker so you can browse to the photo you want to use. Select the image file you need. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. Then confirm to start the upload. You'll see a progress indicator, and once it finishes, your new image will appear in the library as a thumbnail. A quick tip while you're here. Give files clear names and add alt text in the media details. Alt text helps with accessibility and lets search engines understand the image content. With your image highlighted, click Add to Page. Wix will place the image onto your canvas. From here, you can drag it to reposition it and use the handles to resize. Keep an eye on the snap guides to align it with other elements for a clean, professional look. If you need to fine-tune how it appears, open the image settings to adjust design options, add a link, or tweak alt text. Another helpful tip is to use appropriately sized images to keep your site loading quickly. Large, high-resolution files can slow things down. That's all there is to it. Open the Add Elements panel with the plus icon, pick Image, choose Upload Images, select Upload from Computer, pick the file you want, and click Add to Page. With these steps, you can quickly populate your site with visuals that support your message and enhance your design. Thanks for following along, and happy editing.